Microsoft Excel 2016 enables the users to visualize the data in various ways like using conditional formatting, applying filter to the cells and many more. Another way of improvising the visualization of the data is to use charts with your sheets. While sharing monthly or yearly reports with your manager, charts helps you visualize your data in a way that creates maximum impact on your audience. There are two ways by which you can insert charts in your Excel sheets. One of the ways is you can open your Excel sheet and then click on this insert tab, and from this chart section you can select any chart of your choice. Now in this video I'll show you one of the ways through which you can insert charts in your sheets by just clicking Alt plus F1. By doing so, you can save lot of your time and can increase your work productivity. So watch this video and learn how you can leverage this feature in your organization. Open your Microsoft Excel. Once it will open, select the Excel sheet in which you want to insert charts. Right now I have opened my desktop application of Microsoft Excel, and this is my data over here in the form of table. So I'll select this data, and to insert chart for this table I'll just press Alt plus F1 key. Here it is. You can see chart over here in this sheet like this. So you all can see how easy to do this.
I hope you like this feature. If you have any issue using Office 365, you can share your query in the comment section below. Hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Foetron Cloud Academy. Thank you.